Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is Chhatrapati Shivaji. So let's talk about him. February 1613, 3rd April 1680, also referred to as Chhatrapati Shivaji, was an Indian ruler and the member of the Bhosle Maratha clan. Shivaji carved out the enclave from the declining the Adil Shahi Sultanate of Bijapur that formed the genesis of the Marathas empire. In 1674, he was formally crowned the Chhatrapati of his reign at Rajgarh. The Battle of Pratapgarh was battle fought on 10 November 1659 at the fort of Pratapgarh near the town of Satara, Maharashtra, India, between the force of Marathas under the Shivaji and the Adil Shahi troop under the Adil Shahi General Afzal Khan. The Marathas defeated the Adil Shahi force. It was their first significant military victory against a major regional power. So let's talk something about Shivaji Maharaj. Number 1. His name is not derived from the Lord Shiva, but in fact a regional deity by the name of Shivai. He was given god-like structure for his deed, not for his name. Number 2. He was extremely secular at a time when his kingdom were strictly sticking to their religion belief and doing away with others. Shivaji was surprisingly very accommodating of all the religions. Number 3. But he never compromised on his own religious roots and tried reviving all the positive aspects of Hinduism. He helped people who wanted to convert to Hinduism. In fact, he married his own daughter to converted Hindu. Number 4. He had many Muslims in his military rank as well, as opposed to common belief of him being a king of Hindu origin who fought Muslims. He fought other rulers, not religion, who threatened his kingdom. Number 5. In fact, he even offered his assistance to Aurangzeb in conquering Bijapur. Things backfired because of two of his officers raided the Mughal territory near Ahmednagar. Number 6. He converted his army of 2,000 men into 10,000 soldiers. His father left him 2,000 soldiers, and which he converted to 10,000. He knew that the importance of a good army and perfect warfare strategy. He had an intelligence until that helped the devise tactics like a guerrilla warfare. Number 7. He was a practical military commander and did not encourage his troops to be martyred for the sake of it. Instead, he always asked them to take a step back and regroup. His tactics and practicality helped him win battle and where he was outnumbered as well. Number 8. He was smart enough to establish navy to protect the coastline. He knew that to protect India from foreign invaders, a naval fleet was required. Not many other kings had thought of this, but he formed a resolute Marathas navy. The recorded cause of death of Shivaji is anthrax. However, Krishnaji Anand, a Sabhasad, author of Sabhasad Bhakar, the biography of Shivaji, was mentioned fever as the cause of death of Shivaji. So kids, tell me, what is the name of Shivaji's first son? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the Shivaji Maharaj. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.